Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off night light on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn off night light on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start, click on System, click on Display, and if you want to turn off, so here option night light settings, turn off. So click on this. So as this is very simple and easy method. If you want to turn off night light on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.